Today's topic is dry eye. For every living organisms, water is very much essential. In the human beings, water has various uses and needs. Today, out of the various kinds of needs, I'll talk something about the role of tear film on the eyes. In tears, majority of its constituents is water. Tears have varieties of roles in the eyes, and today I'll talk about the deficiency of tears in the eyes. Nowadays, most of the people are very much aware of the term termed as dry eye. So, what is this dry eye? In simplest word, dry eye is dry eye can be explained as a condition where there is inadequate amount of tears on the eyes. Although majority of the tears consists of water, but along with water, there are lots of other essential constituents. Out of the various roles of tears, the obvious role of tears is it moistens or lubricates the eye. Normally, for everyone, the tears is continuously produced by the lacrimal gland, which then follows over the eyes and evenly gets distributed by the process of blinks of the eyelids. Tears carries various things like oxygen, enzyme, nutrients, etc., which are essential for the function which are essential for the proper functioning of the outermost part of the eye, which is termed as cornea. Tears enables the cornea in maintaining its good health by providing all its essential requirements. So, only if there is a lack of tears, then the tears fails to supply the essential things. As cornea is very sensitive part, so if due to the lack of tears, if the corneal metabolism or the integrity of the cornea gets altered, then the corneal nerves gets irritated, which ultimately gives rise to a sensation of grittiness, that is fine very sensation, pain, burning sensation, watering, etc. Along with the various kinds of complaints, one classic complaint of the patients with dry eye is they will say that their problems worsens towards the evening. Nowadays, people works mostly with computers, laptops, and mobiles. So, during their works, people concentrates more on their work and they forget to blink. This reduced blinks results in dryness due to the inadequate resurfacing of the tears which were done by the blinks of the eyelids. So, during computer work, getting dry problem is common. Being inside the air conditioned rooms or being in too much windy atmosphere too can cause dry eyes. Also due to the lack of vitamin A, the dry eye can be caused. Sometimes poor lid hygiene may also result in improper tear stability on the eyes, which then turns the eyes to be dry. In people of old age groups, mainly in old age women, due to the hormonal changes, women may have dry eyes. One interesting thing is that in dry people, due to the continuous dryness, the eye will have various kinds of issues that results in reflex tearing. So, what is this reflex tearing? That reflex tearing is not the normal tearing. It can be easily understood. That means reflex tearing is a kind of tears which we get when we cry, or when anything enters in our body, or when we get any sort of injuries in the eyes. So in the case of dry eyes, this prolonged dryness will cause reflex tearing. But here, even though the eyes are actually dry, then too due to this reflex tearing, the eyes will appear as if it has watering problem. So only an eye examination can properly diagnose and categorize dry eyes as mild, moderate, or severe dry eyes. Dry eyes are usually treated with medicines, and in certain specific cases, surgeries may be required. So that's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel and please like and share this video. Thank you.